Hi everyone. Welcome back to Auto Repair. Is your check engine light on? Have you recently scanned your vehicle and found the code P0442? Don't worry, in this video, we'll break down what this code means, what causes it, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. The P0442 code stands for EVAP system small leak detected. The EVAP, Evaporative Emission Control, system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. When your vehicle detects a small leak in this system, it triggers this code. Common cause for P0442. Number 1. Loose, damaged, or faulty gas cap. A gas cap that isn't tightened properly or has a damaged seal can allow fuel vapors to escape, triggering the EVAP system leak detection. This is the easiest and most common cause of P0442. Ensure the gas cap is properly tightened. Replace the gas cap if necessary. Number 2. Cracked or disconnected EVAP hoses. The EVAP system consists of multiple hoses that carry fuel vapors from the fuel tank to the charcoal canister and then to the engine. Look for cracks, dry rot, or disconnected hoses and replace any damaged parts. Number 3. Leaking or cracked charcoal canister. The charcoal canister stores fuel vapors before they are sent to the engine for combustion. A cracked or leaking canister can result in a small leak, setting off the P0442 code. If damaged, replace it with a compatible canister for your vehicle. Number 4. Faulty purge or vent valves. The EVAP purge valve and vent valve control the flow of fuel vapors in the system. If either valve is stuck open or closed, it can create a vacuum leak and trigger the check engine light. Use a vacuum tester or scan tool to check if the purge and vent valves open and close properly. Number 5. Faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. This sensor monitors the pressure in the fuel tank and EVAP system. A failing sensor may falsely detect a leak, causing the P0442 code to appear. If other components check out, the fuel tank pressure sensor might be faulty. Replace it if necessary. P0442 is a minor but important issue to fix, especially if your vehicle needs to pass an emissions test. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.